Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn some more nomenclature with the functional group. Okay. Now we all know that functional groups means these are the important functional groups like oic acid, aldehyde, ketone, and alcohol. The IUPAC norm E name is oic acid, COOH. Aldehyde means Al. CO means ketone, ON, ONU, not one. It is ON. And OH, alcohol, that is OL. Okay, now the most important compounds is oic acid, Al. Why I am saying these are the most important compounds? Because the competitive exam questions will come from these two oftenly. बहुत ज़्यादा frequency से यहाँ से competitive questions आते रहता है. Now, how the competitive question will come? Okay, now as we all know that the COOH will term like the C double bond O and OH. COOH, oic acid. Back side there is a bond pending with the carbon because here two bond, here one bond, three bonds completed, then it is a one bond with the hydrogen. It may be with the carbon, it may be with the hydrogen because it is a carbon, it may be hydrogen. Okay. Now here only one carbon is there. Okay, and two hydrogen, two oxygen, CH2O2. Okay, this is the formula for the formic acid. See, this is one of the important question. CH2, what I am saying is O2 is the formula for the formic acid. Please note down this point. CH2O2 is the competitive question. CH2O2 is a formic acid. The another name for the formic acid is methanoic acid, because as we all know that one, if there is a single carbon exists, that is called as methanoic acid, because methanoic acid, it is oic acid. See, nomenclature how we can write: meth, single carbon, an say an only, cut off the e because that is radical. Oic acid, methanoic acid, that is called as methanoic acid. Getting my voice? So what is the formula for the methanoic acid? That is CH2O2 is the methanoic acid formula. It is also called as formic acid. It is also called as formic acid. They will ask you question from this. Okay. For all no further competitive questions, this is very important. Now the thing is that if we have this methane group along with the COOH, then how many carbons are there now? There is 1 and 2. 2 carbons are there. Then this is called as ethanoic acid. Don't be confused at here. If there is a meth, अगर यहाँ मीथेन ग्रुप है और ओइक एसिड है तो मेथनोइक एसिड करके कभी भी कंफ्यूज ना होने का. नॉमेनक्लेचर में एक कार्बन है तो दैट इज मीथ, दो कार्बन है तो दैट इज ईथ. यहाँ दो कार्बन है तो इट इज ईथ. इथेनोइक एसिड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एसिटिक एसिड आल्सो. एसिटिक एसिड that is a food acid. You can say we are using in the food acid, that is called as acetic acid. You are all adding the food that is vinegar. You call it as a vinegar also. Acetic acid is also called as vinegar. Okay, so friends, students, here the thing is that this is ethanoic acid and this is formic acid. Okay, then there is a formula for CH3, CH2 and COOH. What is this? Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. What is this? This is called as propanoic acid. This is called as propanoic acid. See, how many carbons are there? 3 carbons. Now it is easy. Now there is no tough, because you can understand. The only thing is that these two are the master set here, and complete competitive questions come at here. Formic acid and acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid. Okay, the complete questions come at here. There is a question with the SEEP exam, SEEP common entrance exam questions, that is for the polytechnic entrance exam. That is the CH2O2 is the formula for what? That is formic acid. Okay, so these are the entrance exam questions. Now further we will go, that is for aldehyde group. CHO. Again there is a bond. Okay, how the function the aldehyde group will exist? Actually, there is a bond like C double bond O H. Okay. Now, if like this with a single hydrogen, what is this? There is how many carbons are there? One carbon is there, na? Then it is called as methanol. Methanol. Please understand the wording to read pronunciation of this word. Methanol. Methanol. It's not methanol. Methanol is a alcohol. That is a alcohol compound. It is methanol. It is methanol. Please understand, methanol is a aldehyde compound. Okay, or called as formaldehyde. As you all know that formaldehyde is a chemical. It is a preservative chemical. This is a preservative chemical. The name for this chemical is preservative chemical. Sometimes the question comes like that. What is the preservative chemical name? That is called as formaldehyde. And the structure of this formaldehyde is CH2O. The structure of this CH2O. This is the structure of formaldehyde. This is called as preservative chemical. This is called as preservative chemical. Okay. Now, if we can add this CH3, CHO, then this is called as acetanol or ethanol. This is called as ethanol or acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, ethanol or acetaldehyde. That is the name of this compound. Now we will go to the ketone compound. Ketones. That means C double bond O, 2 bonds vacant. Okay, this is very confusing compound. Ketone is always a frisky compound. Basically, see how carefully we need to understand this is, see, if we can make CH3 CH3 double bond O, what you can say this compound? This is called as dimethyl ketone. 2 methyl groups are here, na? Dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone are called as propanone. What is called as? Propanone. This is called as propanone. See, there is no single carbon, there is no single there is no relation with the one methane group. That is also there. That is also there. But formaldehyde is there. Formic acid is there. But there is no pharmanone. There is no pharmanone. It is like acetone, acetylene, like that. Okay. This is a complex group. This is a complex group. Okay. And ketone will always make a relation, in between relation. It will not give a end relation. This is the structure of this. No, you can write like this. This is the structure of this propanone or dimethyl ketone. This is the structure of dimethyl ketone. Okay. Now you can see, you can understand, you can understand the seriousness of this. Actually, it will always make a compound with the mid of the structure. Okay. Next we will see like this. What is the name of this compound? How many carbons are there? 4 carbons. So this is called as butane one. Butanone. Butanone. Now the compounds will be again a common compounds. Here one more point is there. It is called as butanone. पर ये कीटोन कहाँ से है, कहाँ पर है, कौन से कार्बन में है, कौन से कार्बन में है? नॉमेनक्लेचर में अब ये एक आना चाहिए. अभी तक इतना सीखो. नॉमेनक्लेचर में अब क्लियर नॉमेनक्लेचर में और जाएंगे, अभी कंफ्यूज ना हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ब्यूटेनोन. इतना तक किस सीखो पहले. वी विल गो फॉर द क्लियर नॉमेनक्लेचर. बहुत ज्यादा लंबा है नॉमेनक्लेचर, और जब तक नॉमेनक्लेचर ठीक से नहीं आता है तब तक आप लोग को ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री नहीं आएगा. तो आप लोग ये करना पड़ेगा, सबसे पहले नॉमेनक्लेचर को लिखते रहो, पढ़ते रहो और समझते रहो, लिखते रहो, लिखते रहो, लिखते रहो. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रीड एंड राइट, रीड एंड राइट. Now we will go to quickly OH group, that is alcohol. Alcohol group. Now alcohol group OL is important. Okay. Now it is very easy. There is no complexity in this. The only thing is that CH3OH means that is methane, meth, OL. Methanol. Methanol. There it is methanol. This is methanol. Ol. Methanol. Again, it is very simple. There is no tough in this alcohol group. Or methyl alcohol. The general name is, we can write methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. This is called as ethanol. That is called the IUPAC name is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name is ethanol. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. The IUPAC name is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This is very simple, but again we have to understand the position of the OH, where the position is there. As per that we will give the numbering. Now we will go quickly. We will go for the chlorine, Cl. Okay, that is like CH3Cl. This is called as methyl chloride. Or chloromethane. Or chloromethane. The IUPAC name is chloromethane. What we have discussed earlier, Cl means it is a chloro. We should add that name first of all. Okay. So this is methyl chloride is a normal name. IUPAC name is chloromethane. Please understand. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ई कंपाउंड, दिस इज ये कंपाउंड इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज कई लोग ये समझते हैं कि हाँ कंफ्यूजन ये रहता है कि मिथाइल क्लोराइड, क्लोरोमीथेन, इसमें आईयूपैक नाम क्या है. आईयूपैक नाम ये है क्लोरोमीथेन, बिकॉज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एर्लियर. हम लोग पहले बता चुके हैं कि Cl क्लोरो, Br ब्रोमो, ब्रोमोमीथेन, Cn साइनो, Nc आइसोसाइनो. दीज आर द वर्ड्स. So we have to adjust with these words first. जहां पर ये वर्डिंग आएगा उसी को IUPAC nomenclature समझेंगे. Okay. Now quickly we will go for that further. For example, CH3, CH2, Cl. That is equal to, that means ethyl chloride or chloroethane. This is IUPAC norm. This is IUPAC name. Okay. This is IUPAC name. Ethyl chloride is general name. Ethyl chloride is a general name. Quickly we will go forward because these are the simple topic. That's not an issue. One more example we will give for the cyanide. Cyanide means CN. Okay. Here carbon and nitrogen is triple bond. Getting? So this carbon bond has single bond. So if it is like this, that is equal to methyl cyanide. CN means cyano. The name is cyano. So here cyano methane. Cyano-methane. This is the scientific name, that is the IUPAC name. Cyano-methane. Now NC, that is equal to isocyanate. Isocyanate. NC means isocyanate. That means the name is IUPAC name क्या है यहाँ? Isocyanomethane. This is the IUPAC name. Isocyanomethane. Isocyanomethane. That is the IUPAC name. सो IUPAC नेम्स को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है और साथ साथ में प्रैक्टिस करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है दोस्तों। ये बात यह है कि इसमें बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। अभी ये जैसे कि साइनो, आइसोसाइनो, इसमें भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है। जैसे कि आपको एक बात बताऊं, इसमें तो PMT का और PET का भी टेस्ट इसमें आता है, ये साइनो आइसोसाइनो का। जैसे कि आपको एक बात बताऊं, जैसे CH3 CH2CN। नाउ हाउ कैन यू प्रोनाउंस दिस? Now there is a nitrogen is there. There is two words, two names is called as 3 carbons is propane nitrate, propane nitrate, propane nitrate or nitropropane. This is one of the name. And similarly, if cyanide group is this is 2 and cyanide group. See this we will discuss later. Actually, this is complicated. I would like to say. 2 cyanides is there. Here we need to calculate the carbons. There is a two-way wording is there. How many carbons is there? 4 carbons, 2 nitrogen. So dinitrogen butane or dinitrobutane. This is dinitrobutane. This is This is the most confusing compound. This is the most confusing compound, but we need somehow practice. So friends, students, do some practice. Tomorrow we will start the IUPAC nomenclature for the linear compounds, and hope you understand this point. If you have any doubts, make a comment. Thank you.